Okay, so guys, today we are going to talk about what is FWHR, which stands for facial width to height ratio, and how it impacts your relationship, dating life, and your appearance and looks. So, okay, guys, let's begin the video. So, guys, first of all, FWHR is your facial width to height ratio, which is measured by, which is a ratio that measures your face length and width, and divides it and gives you a ratio of what you have. If the ratio falls within like very low range, then it would be considered that your face is very feminine or friendly, too friendly type, or it if it or you can even be considered average with slightly less like low FWHR. But if you have like child level FWHR, chats typically have a little bit of higher FWHR. Like you can see, the FWHR could be like 2.0, 2 point like something like that. But 1.8, 1.7 to 2 is ideal. It is the chat ratio, and then you come to the hyper masculine one, that is very aggressive. You don't want to be in there because it is like it shows your face very short, because your face it in that ratio your face looks very wide but short in general. So okay, guys, so the first tip is, if you have a lower FWHR, if your FWHR is too narrow, you can try by some soft maxing, like using some hairstyle, trying new hairstyles like fringes or something like I have done. You can see I have also have like low FWHR. So yeah, you can try like this hairstyle or something you throw in the forehead, that is going to make your FWHR look more balanced. Everything looks balanced, guys, with the hair on the forehead. So okay, guys, the FWHR. And then second thing you can do if you are in your teenage years is that you can do thumb pulling. If you do the thumb pulling, I will make a video on it, I have told before, but don't worry, I will make a video on it. So yeah, you can do thumb pulling. You have to do it before sleeping at night or after waking up in day. You can do for 30 second one rep, 30 second for 3 sets. You can do one rep. Okay, that was, you can try thumb pulling. And then because like, look guys, if your face looks too narrow, then your like facial features are not going to look balanced, because your eyes may seem very close set, and your your like palate would be also very like narrow, so you won't be able to do moving properly. So yeah, guys, that is the problem, so you need to fix it. Or you can there are also some like dental procedures you can go through to like fix it. You can try, there is something they do with balloon. They take a balloon and like put it inside your nose and pump it up. That is, I don't know what it was called, but if I find it, I will tag it in the community post. So okay, guys, that you can do. And there is also one, that spring type of device that you can like fit in your maxilla, and it will like constantly put up pressure. Like you can imagine that the pressure would be like thumb pulling. That will constantly pull your that will constantly pull your palate to outwards to exhale, like to make it wider, similar to that of like you put braces in your teeth. It puts constant pressure in it. So yeah, guys, that is it. And that was how you can fix your low FWHR. There are many surgical methods also, but this is for soft maxing. Okay. And the another point for if you have low FWHR is that you can try by gaining some body fat. Because look guys, when you have high body fat, your cheeks look puffy, and that is going to make your face look more balanced. As getting lean will like more not do anything for you. If you already have a low FWHR, it is going to make your face look more narrower. So yeah, guys, you can try that. And okay, guys, that was for the low FWHR. Now let's go for high FWHR. So okay, guys, so for the high FWHR, your face is going to look very aggressive. If people see you, they are going to be scared, or they will be scared to like ask a favor from you or anything, do anything to you. So okay, there are certain benefits to both of it and certain disadvantages also, because if you also, even if you have low FWHR, people are going to take you for granted, and like they are going to use you for certain things. So okay, the high FWHR means that your maxilla or overall face is wider than it is in the length, it is in the height. So to like fix it, if you have too masculine, like it is considered, look guys, it is considered masculine. It is considered masculine to have like high FWHR because it balances the facial proportions. As your face looks wider very much, so wide face is often considered as masculinity. So yeah, it is a good thing, but even then, things beyond extent are bad only. So yeah, you can do. So what you can do to fix to like certainly narrow your face is like you can grow out your beard. You can grow out your beard, and like you can trim it shorter, so it is going to make a shadowed region. And the main thing is, guys, as I have told, that if you have low FWHR, you should try to like higher your body fat percentage a little bit, because it is going to puff out your cheeks, and so it would balance that FWHR. But if you already have a high FWHR, the case is different. You should try to like slim down your cheeks as much as possible. You should try to get as low on body fat as possible, and you don't have to do like that maxillary pulling or thumb pulling, anything like that, because you already have a high FWHR. So yeah, guys, your tummy is going to fit in your palate very well if you have high FWHR. But still, if it doesn't, you can try to like do thumb pulling. It is very affordable. You only need two thumbs, I mean. So yeah, guys. Okay, so let's talk about what are the benefits of having high or low FWHR, guys. Okay, so now I am talking certainly about high and low FWHR. The low, for if you have a low FWHR, like your face is longer than its width, so people are going to people are going to view you as very weak, like someone who is very weak and skinny, can't be able to fight. But also there are some positive sides, that people are going to trust you more because your face creates a more trustable look. So yeah, it is also desirable. Your face creates a trustable look, but also people are going to like view you as weak, and like they would try to make use of you. So yeah, that was for the like low FWHR benefits and cons. Okay, so for the high FWHR, if you have a very high FWHR or in general high FWHR, people are going to be likely going to be scared of you and like won't fight with you, because there are certain studies that show that people with high FWHR are like more masculinizing, and people fear to fight them. And it is also, scientists also say, I have seen them saying that they told that people with high FWHR are more likely to survive a physical violence if they if a person with low FWHR and high FWHR both get punched in face. So okay, so then the one who would likely survive is the high FWHR. The scientists say that. I don't know if there is any like evidence to it. So yeah, guys, that was the for high FWHR. And also there are also cons of high FWHR, which is like people are not going to trust on you very easily. People are not going to trust on you very easily, and they are going to be like this, that you are going to I mean you will give them dhoka at some moment in their life. So yeah, and in general they are going to be scared of you, scared to like by your presence, by your face. So yeah, guys. Okay, so guys, that was it for the video. Tell me how did you like the video in the comments, and that was it for the video, guys. Bye bye.